Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft beacon. First, understand that beacons are powerful blocks providing status effects like speed or jump boost. To activate one, you'll need a special beacon block and a pyramid built from specific mineral blocks. The larger your pyramid, the more powerful and far-reaching your beacon's effects will be. To craft the beacon block itself, you'll need 3 pieces of obsidian, 5 blocks of glass, and 1 precious nether star. Obsidian is found where water flows over lava, or you can create it yourself. Glass is easily made by smelting sand in a furnace. The nether star is the trickiest, dropped only by defeating the wither boss. Once you have your beacon block, it's time to build its base. This pyramid must be constructed from blocks of iron, gold, diamond, or emerald. The smallest pyramid is a 3x3 base using 9 blocks. For maximum power, you'll need a 4-tier pyramid, culminating in a 9x9 base at the bottom. Finally, place your crafted beacon block directly on the center of the pyramid's top tier. It will immediately emit a beam of light into the sky. Interact with the beacon to choose your desired status effects, like haste or regeneration, and fuel it with an iron ingot, gold ingot, diamond, or emerald. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This powerful tool will enhance your Minecraft experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.